Magandang gabi. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Today we gather beneath our proud flag to commemorate the defining moment in our nation's history, the 128th anniversary of Philippine independence. On June 12, 1898, in Kawit, Cavite, our forefathers boldly proclaimed to the world that the Filipino people would no longer live under the shadow of colonization. It was a declaration of courage, identity, and unwavering desire for freedom. But today is more than a remembrance of a historic date. It's a powerful reminder that who we are as a Filipinos and why our freedom remains deeply important to each of us. Independence is not just a concept written in history books. It is a living legacy of sacrifice. Our heroes, Dr. Jose Rizal, Andres Bonifacio, Emilio Aguinaldo, and countless unnamed patriots gave their lives, their dreams, and their future so that we could stand here today free. They fought not only against foreign rule, but for dignity, equality, and the right to shape our own destiny. This is why this event matters. Because every time we raise our flag, we honor the truth that freedom was never freely given, it was fought for. To all Filipinos, whether at home or abroad, Independence Day reminds us that we share a common identity. No matter our language, background, or beliefs, the Filipino spirit connects us. It is a spirit of resilience, seen in how we rise from storm, rebuild after hardship, and continue moving forward despite challenges. Our independence carries it with responsibility. Freedom is not only about what we have gained, but about what we must protect and nurture. It calls on us to be active citizens, to uphold justice, to respect one another, and to contribute to the progress of our nation. It reminds us that the future of the Philippines does not rest solely on leaders or institutions, but on every Filipino who chooses to act with integrity, compassion, and courage. More importantly, this celebration is a message to our younger generation. To our youth, Independence Day is your inheritance. The freedom you enjoy today were built by sacrifices you may not have witnessed, but must never forget. Your role is to continue that legacy, not necessarily by fighting battles of war, but by fighting for truth, excellence, and unity in your own ways. Your ideas, your voices, and your actions are vital in shaping a stronger, more and just Philippines. As we raise our flag today, let us reflect on what truly represents. Blue for peace, truth, and justice. Red for patriotism and valor. White is for unity and equality. And the sun and stars are symbols of our hope, freedom, and shared destiny. This flag does not merely wave, it speaks. It tells us a story of struggle, victory, and enduring hope. And so, as we mark this 128th year of independence, let us renew our commitment, not just remembering our history, but to living its meaning. Let us be Filipinos are worthy of the freedom we celebrate today. Because the importance of this day lies not only in the past, but in how we choose to honor in the present and carry it into the future. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Thank you.